So welcome back to the channel. Let's take a look at what we'll be expecting for the day on our gold. You know, the last time when we did this analysis, I told you guys that gold will give us a bullish move, right? I told you guys that now that we've gotten this drop, we'll be expecting a bullish move. You know, that was our prediction on. Then gold gave us some up the back, but it eventually gave us this bullish move. So this was the bullish move we were anticipating for. You know, I told you guys that only going for the buy once you get your buy set up, and this is exactly what gold has given us. Gold has given us the buy setup. So now this is what we are now expecting for the day. So we would expect a continuous movement. Now this is our buy setup on our gold. So this is a double bottom here. We all know once you see a double bottom, especially when market is falling, and you see double bottom, you should know that this is a reversal movement. The market started pushing up. So this is a bullish move on gold, and we are actually expecting this bullish move. So now, if you take a look at this right here, guys, if you see this to be your high on your gold, and this is your higher low, this is also what an higher high, and this is your higher low. So this is now the higher high, and here comes the equal higher low right here. Now markets should be pushing up to form a new higher high. So guys, we should be expecting gold to take out this high right here, thereby forming a new higher high. So our next target on gold for the day is about 4,500. So that is our target for the day on our gold. We are expecting it to give us a bullish move and hit a level of 4,500. If it can hit a level of 4,500, gold would most likely break above it and even continue to push up. So above all, our movement on gold will be a bullish move. We should be looking to go in and a buy. If there will be any changes to this movement that we just predicted, I'll make sure I let you guys know. In order for you not to miss out on the updates, all you just need to click on that subscribe button, like and share.